How necessary is faith?
But without faith it is impossible to please him. For he that cometh to God must believe that he is, and that he is a rewarder of them that diligently seek him. For I am not ashamed of the gospel of Christ, for it is the power of God unto salvation to everyone that believeth, to the Jew first, and also to the Greek. For therein is the righteousness of God revealed from faith to faith, as it is written, the just shall live by faith.
In other words, faith is absolutely necessary. Without it, the Bible says it's impossible for you to please God. Why? Well, think of it this way. Imagine you were the owner of a large corporation and given the title of world's richest person. One day, you came across a person who told you they desperately needed money, and you tell them you're the world's richest person. And their repeated response to this is, no, you're not. And they never ask you for the money. How pleasing would it be to be called a liar?